You bought a new car, opened the trunk, lifted the floor panel, and the spare tire was gone. Not missing, not stolen, just never included. Why? For decades, spare tires were standard. Every car had one. So why are modern cars suddenly shipping without them? Most people assume car companies are just being cheap. And while cost is part of the story, it's not the whole reason. The biggest reason is actually weight. Spare tires are heavy. A full-size spare wheel can add significant extra mass to a vehicle. And modern car companies are obsessed with reducing weight. Why? Because lighter cars use less fuel. Even small reductions in weight can improve fuel economy, which helps companies meet strict efficiency regulations.
For electric cars, weight matters even more. Less weight means more driving range, and manufacturers will remove almost anything unnecessary to achieve that. Removing the spare tire also frees up space. That extra room can be used for larger storage areas, batteries, electronics, or safety components. Instead of spare tires, many modern cars now come with tire repair kits, usually consisting of a sealant and an air compressor. Some vehicles use something even more advanced: run-flat tires. These tires are designed to keep working temporarily, even after losing air pressure. But there's a problem. Repair kits don't work for every type of damage, and run-flat tires can be expensive to replace. So for many drivers, losing the spare tire feels like losing peace of mind. Car manufacturers know most people rarely use their spare tire. Many drivers go years without a serious puncture. So companies decided the trade-off was worth it. And yes, saving money also plays a role. Removing the spare tire reduces manufacturing costs, especially across millions of vehicles. So the missing spare tire isn't an accident. It's the result of fuel efficiency goals, weight reduction, space optimization, modern tire technology, and cost savings. What seemed like something important disappearing was actually part of a much bigger shift in car design. Now you know.